the Cool Chef, and today I'm going to be making a refried rice dish. Okay, let's call this A Brown's refried rice. Okay, A Brown's refried rice. Hope you like it, and don't forget to check out my Ebby Madness. And I got a chicken dish also online on YouTube. So check it out. Let's have a lot of fun today. So just need to fry the tuna with the rice, so that way it don't have the taste of the olive oil. It is letting it simmer. Okay. I'm gonna stir that in there. Get that all stirred in there. You only need it a little bit because you're gonna taste it everywhere. It's gonna be, see now that rice is getting hard under there. So I don't want to cook it too much longer. Get that tuna everywhere. I'm the Cool Chef, doing it again while I'm watching, what is it, Seven Signs or something, and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. We're about out of the sesame oil, but I'm going to put it in the middle there. I'll try to use it all with sesame oil. Okay. Next, add those onions and mushrooms in the middle there. Okay, get it rolling. That's what I do. The Cool Chef. Okay. Next, I take the potatoes and I strain the potatoes. Get all the water off of there, because that's all the water in there. Don't really want water in my stuff. You know what I'm saying? In the strainer, and pour those potatoes in the strainer. Okay? So those potatoes the water is being drained there. That water I'll make a soup out of. I'll put it all together and make a soup out of it. Alright, then I pour those potatoes there. Get them taters and do the same with the rest of the vegetables. That way I don't have to make no salad, because hell, damn lettuce was 375 yen. That's $3.75 today. Okay, here we go. So I'll take the vegetables, get the strainer again, and pour those vegetables in here to strain the water off. That water's coming up high, but when I pull it out, it'll be good to go. Then I take the vegetables and I add them. Okay? It's kind of like a poor man's meal. But, people don't like to eat the vegetables. So, folks, you know the folks I'm telling you about. And let me go ahead and get my chu-hi. And I'm going to start stirring this. Got to mix it up good. I think that fire is a little bit too high. Too high while I drink my chu-hi. Alright, here we go. Get ready to mix it up. And let you see that after I get it looking, after I got it mixed up. There's only a few carrots in there. Let me turn the signs down. The aliens is coming off in there right about now. Let's see if we can turn it down a little bit so you can hear me. And I'll probably add music to this video. Anyway, there's the broth, the soup for the broth. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna put in it, but okay, there we go. Now we gotta add some tamago, and that's eggs. So I'm gonna put 2 eggs in here. as I'm pouring the broth back into the pot and figure out maybe I'll make, what do you call it? Egg drop soup. That's what I make out of this broth. Egg drop soup. Okay, but I'm still gonna put 2 eggs here, and I'm gonna put 1 egg in the egg drop soup, and maybe some onions. I don't know. Maybe I can make an onion soup. I don't know. Anyway, let's see. We'll see how. So why I got the Lucky Strike ashtray in here? I never smoke in the kitchen. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna use these 3 eggs. I'm gonna use 2 for. No, there you go. Look at that. 2 for the refried rice, and 1 for the egg drop soup. So let me turn it on, get it boiled. I'll probably put some onions in there. Remind me of a Cajun thing. Okay. I gotta open this up so I can put that on there also. But let's do the eggs now. For the eggs, I probably don't need salt and pepper, but I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Oh, I like too much, but it's gonna be spreading around in this. And the broth is simmering. Let's get it to a boil. How's that fire? Let's turn it up. Get it to a boil. It should be a good taste. That's potato and mixed vegetables broth. Okay, here we go. Let's do this now. Let's stir it a little bit. Get it stirred. It's like scrambled eggs. Okay, but believe it or not, those eggs are the best taste. In Cincinnati, we used to go to the Chinese restaurants, and they make that. They was making shrimp fried rice. That shit was so damn good. But mine is, I ain't gonna say better, but same idea. Okay, what we got? Okay, let's turn that fire up. Let's get this skillet suited away and turn that fire up and get ready to mix those eggs in there. I can't, I'm holding the camera, so I can't really hold the camera and stir, but just to let you see how and what I'm doing right now. Those eggs is what top it off. They top it off. So you can see that rice is kind of brown, a little bit brown. That's the refried. That's what make it taste so delicious. And crunching up these mixed vegetables that I bought from Costco. So if you ever go to Costco to get your vegetables, they frozen and they mix, and the carrots never so many carrots, but it's good for your eyes. You know what I'm saying? I'm the cool chef. Rostar's Kitchen. I got a new kitchen now, so got a new name. But you can see how that's, you know, it's like it looks dry, you know, but that's refried rice. That's how you want it to look. You want it to look dry. Okay? And that broth is over there simmering. It's simmering, shimmering. Alright? Alright. Broth is coming to a boil. I don't think I'm gonna even add no what do you call it? No onions. I'm just gonna throw it in there and create an egg drop soup. Alright? You don't have to let that cook so long, but I do. Let's take it. Okay, I don't need nothing else in it but water. Okay, let's turn that fire all the way down, and let's add some water, just so it'll be enough. Okay, excuse the flat, it's looking kind of rough. Okay, let's add that, and let's turn this down. Sound like it's burning up. Okay. That egg drop, fill it up with that spring water. Then you got enough soup to feed an army. Egg drop. Alright, and then gotta let it come back up to a boil. I don't know, I've never seen onions in the egg drop soup. You know, that I remember. Diet's changed a little bit. 14 years I was a strict vegetarian. I can't say strict. was eating some fish for 14 years. Since I came to Japan, started eating a little bit of chicken. Not a little bit, but chicken. And of course, if I'm eating the eggs, I'm eating the chicken. Okay. So, got that down. And that egg drop coming back to a boil. It's not high enough. Let's turn it up. My egg drop is. You get that at Denny's. And Denny's got a good onion soup too, but the people at Denny's here are similar to the people at Denny's in the States. You wouldn't think so, but for some reason they becoming a little bit racial on you. Hard to believe, but and a little bit of that. You don't want to add so much, just that little bit. It's like I don't need to add nothing to the egg fry, to the egg drop soup. I could have added some cabbage or something, but let's get that rolling. They need to be a little bit higher. It's not percolating. It need to be percolating. Oh, that's really percolating. Look at that roll. All right, let's get that egg drop rolling. Then I have to stir this again and put this on really low. Let it simmer. I got a big top for it. Why, it's simmering. You got it simmering. Alright? Okay. Well, the camera's going off a little bit, but it's okay. Well, you saw the ingredients. Did this, I just decided to videotape, but because that damn refried rice was so good. But you take this top here and you put it over top of there. It's too small, but okay, hold on. I got to kind of take it down that way. Up, egg drop. The egg drop is ready. Let's turn that off now. It ain't gonna get no more ready than that. Okay. Since I don't have a top to fit the frying pan or the skillet, we call it a skillet, then I'll just do that. You're almost done. Let that shimmer. Let it shimmer. Shimmer. Yeah. Put it there. I let my butter melt. Every morning my butter is melted. Okay, let's get that out of there. Put that top, that's real butter there, I guess. Oh, it's margarine. It's margarine. Japanese call it margarine. We say margarine, but Japanese say margarine. Okay, look at that egg drop. You want to stir that before you serve it, so that everybody can get the egg drop. You know what I'm saying? Put a top over that. You need a soup, you know? Sometimes you need a soup. Alright, I don't know the name of it, but this is the final seasoning, the taste. You know what I'm saying? Alright. You ain't never had it this good. That's right, Cool Chef. Rastardis. Yeah. Alright, I don't know what to say. Alright, what else we got? We got something else? Okay, alright, it's cool. Yeah, I've been handling the camera today, but you can see the dish right there. Rastard's refried rice and egg drop. Alright, so you wasn't able to see me because I've been holding the camera in my hand, but it should be pretty cool. This should be alright, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It should be okay. I think you're gonna love this recipe. I don't add the recipes to the to the video, but you can see, but you have to watch it all to know exactly what's there. I'm the Cool Chef.